Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself wondering which images and elements in Canva are premium and how you can quickly spot them while working on your design, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple and effective way to locate premium elements and images in any Canva project. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to identify these premium assets, saving you time and helping you get the most out of your design work. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your browser and head on over to Canva. If you're not logged in, just take a moment to sign into your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the Create a Design button. It's usually bright and inviting right at the top of the page. Give that a click. This is where your design journey begins. Now, instead of choosing one of the preset sizes Canva offers, go ahead and select Custom Size. Today, for demonstration purposes, let's set the dimensions to 100 by 50 pixels. Type 100 in for the width and 50 for the height. This might seem small, and that's the point. It creates a tiny canvas, which makes it quicker to load and easier to scan for our purposes. Don't worry, you can use any size for your own project, but smaller is just simpler for this quick walkthrough. Once you've entered your dimensions, click Create New Design. Canva will open up a fresh, blank workspace for you. Here, where you can really start to unleash your creativity. But for now, let's keep it straightforward so we can focus on spotting those premium elements. Next, let's select a template to work with. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Templates section. Choose any template you like. You can pick one that fits your vibe or simply select the first one that catches your eye. This just gives us something to see on our canvas and makes the design look a bit livelier. Alright, moving on now, we're going to look for premium images. Click on the Elements tab on the left panel. This is where Canva stores everything from photos and illustrations to shapes, stickers, and charts. In the search bar at the top of this panel, type in something like Premium Photos. You could also just type a keyword for what you're looking for, like business, flowers, or anything else you might need. As you browse, take a moment to hover your mouse over the images that appear. This is an important step. A quick hover will reveal extra information about each photo. You'll notice that some images have tiny icons or logos, like a little crown or a $sign overlay. These are the telltale signs that the element is premium. Canva labels premium items so you know upfront which resources require a Canva Pro subscription or a one-time payment. Don't worry if you don't spot them right away. Sometimes you need to scroll a bit and give each image a chance to reveal its details. You might notice, for example, a business photo with a crown icon in the corner. That simply means that if you want to use that photo without watermarks, you'll need to either be a Canva Pro subscriber or pay for access to that specific image. It's kind of like walking through a grocery store and spotting special items marked with premium tags. You know upfront what costs extra, so there are no surprises at checkout. And that's really it. Just by hovering and taking a closer look, you can instantly tell which elements and images are premium in Canva. This makes it so much easier to decide which assets you want to use, especially if you're trying to avoid extra charges or watermarks on your projects. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Canva feature you want to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more simple, practical tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.